Hey guys, good morning. I got up at 7:50. AJ actually called me because she's like, I haven't slept in 4 days. I'll call you to wake you up. I was like, okay, period. So now it's 8:42. So yeah, we're about to perform. I really don't know the details. All I know is we're performing New Safe at Texas Southern University for BET. All the info I have. We might have to get there a little later than we anticipated, so that's exciting. I'm very excited. I hope these amazing opportunities keep popping up. I hope everything works out and blessings on blessings. I hope we perform well today. The set we originally have is 8 dancers and we have just 4 today, so we have to like figure it out. It'll be fine. Like we had to dance on that really small stage anyways the last time we performed, so we'll figure it out. Doing my makeup is like my time to catch up on like my texts and stuff like that. Like I have voice messages I have to listen to currently, so I'm gonna get on that.
I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I can get you up.
Alright, so we don't have to be there till 1 now. And I have like my full face on. So I'm probably gonna go back to sleep. I'm gonna take a little nap. Me and Rem just went on a walk. She got scared by a puppy. But I'm gonna take a nap. I took my eyelashes off. My head hurts. I'm really tired, so. Okay guys, hair is curled, lashes are back on. I'm just doing the dishes right now. I'm gonna get ready to go. I'm gonna make some breakfast real quick and then blast. This is what breakfast is looking like. 2 eggs, butter and cinnamon toast, peanut butter and strawberry toast, coffee, Peyton. Time to eat. All right, let's go perform.
Always in the videos.
Is it?
The videos of like the sororities and the Greeks.
I feel like a college student here. Performed for the BET network. That's 2 in a week. That's 2 in a week. Keep it coming, baby. Yes. Go watch it, y'all. Like that, Jilly. EP is copy and paste. Yes, you're welcome. Hi guys, it is currently 12:30 in the morning. I fell asleep at 6 p.m. when I got home from the BET event, and I woke up at 11 p.m. and I'm eating a Yasso fudge brownie bar. My first time trying these. They're pretty good. I'll buy it again. Yeah, it's been a crazy past couple of months, honestly. I'm back to work tomorrow. I've been off for a week. The music video was so fun to shoot. Oh my god. I cannot wait till that drops. And I don't know if I said, but the BET event was for College Hill. It'll premiere, I think they said September it'll air. It was at TSU where Megan Thee Stallion graduated. So yeah, it was really fun. I had a great time. I'm ready to catch up on sleep and go back to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in like over 2 weeks, which is crazy. I'm gonna go back to bed.
Hey y'all, how we doing? It is March 26th. I actually just took Remy out for a little walk and I got a couple packages. The first one is Jules' candle maker for her present, her Christmas present. Me and AJ were a little late. Sorry Jules, love you. But I also got an Amazon package and Andrea sent me something, my big sis. Andrea's actually getting married in December, so that's exciting. But she sent me a Thrive Cosmetics waterproof eyeshadow stick. So let's see what it looks like. In the color Nikki is what it's called. It's really hot out and I'm sweating. Ooh, pretty. Thanks, Andrea. Love you. And also from Amazon, these are boring, but thought I would share anyway. I got Tiger Balm because I'm always sore. But yeah, if you know me, I'm always working out or dancing, so it's a pain relieving ointment. I used to use it all the time when I was in competitive dance. And also just some pants for the showcase I'm in April 9th. So yeah, that's about it for that little quick haul. Pepe bought me Starbucks. You like it?
Vanilla milkshake.
Vanilla sweet cream nitro cold brew with cold foam.
That's what you wanted, yeah?
While I get an assignment done. And he got the vanilla bean. Can I try it? It does taste like a milkshake. Remy was biting every part of me.
That's why I don't hang with her. Oh, wait, too much.
You're not gonna like it.
Right. Tastes terrible. Literally tastes so bad.
I'm just getting ready for work. And I wanted to try the Thrive Cosmetics Infinity Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick that Andrea sent me. I just heard Peyton say, I want to bring my girlfriend. So let's see. I'm just going to apply it to my lid. Oh, it's very pretty. Pretty. Yeah, so it's just a very like subtle shimmer. I don't know if I can see it from here. Very cute. Thanks, Andrea. I'm just getting ready to go to work. I got an assignment done for school, so that's all set. Peyton got me some coffee this morning, as y'all saw. And yeah, I just have work today and rehearsal for the So Real showcase at like, I think it's at 7. That's what's happening today. For the rest of the week, I actually have a chiller week. I can probably go take some dance class. I'm very excited for that because it's literally been insanely long since I've gotten my butt in a dance class, because I had rehearsal for the Chris Brown, which turned into 2 Chainz. We had that like every day, like Tuesday through Thursday, and then I was having rehearsals for other things as well. The music video came up, and then yeah, so I'm excited to get back into dance class, and hopefully this week I can spend some time with AJ and Jules because I miss them. I'm having withdrawals, very much so. I've been so busy. Jules doesn't work at Olive Garden anymore. I'm ready to go get this bread. I think I want to do a pinky lip today. I'm gonna do this Revlon strawberry shortcake. This used to be my favorite little lip color. Hey, Bo. Alright, I'm just gonna do my hair and then get to work. Peyton gets to go home. That's so exciting for him. I'm very excited that he finally gets to go home. He didn't get to go home for Christmas, so he was left here. So he hasn't been home since we moved here in August. I'll be in Delaware. I don't think I'm gonna go to Virginia this time, but I'm excited he gets to go. It's good for him. So yeah, I need to run, do my hair, and dip. Guys, I just got back from the store. I wanted to do a little grocery haul. This is what it's looking like. So over here, got some protein bars, Smart Food. These are so good. I ate some in the car. I wanted some fruit snacks, almond milk, cranberry grape juice. I heard these were really good. I wanted to try those. Dole banana slices, Greek yogurt, bananas, turkey bacon, grapes, cheese, blackberries, strawberries, some more yogurts, butter spray, egg whites, vegetables, this orange blast drink enhancer, some bread, and Remy. that's all I got at the store today, and I'm spending the night at AJ's tonight. We're gonna have a girls' night, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to the beach. All right, y'all, I just got back from the gym and showered, and now I'm packing to go to AJ's. I'm just packing some stuff for the beach. I'm gonna make a sandwich. I have a drink holder, koozie, snacks. I'm so excited to go have a beach day. We bought a lot. Oops. Chippy! Chippy! Come here, mommy.
To say, I'ma set up a TV and I like.
Alright, we're gonna try a bread and butter.
Hey, can I have a knife right here?
Yeah. I just gave you a knife.
Yeah, but to get
9 out of 10. Yes, Jules put me on. And now she's gonna cut watermelon.
smashing my fingers.
You to be with me, we could laugh about nothing at all.
Guava. I'm scared to try this. Guess what AJ?
I really want another one, but I'm going to learn.
You really want to?
I really want another one, but I'm going to learn. So I have really
Chocotini.
That's how the martini comes.
She's strong. She's strong.
Nothing at all. I'ma set up a TV and I like you to be with me. We could laugh about nothing at all. Truth is, I just wanna truth is, I just wanna
Truth is, I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night. I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, you could just burn up. I feel so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up.
So if you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home.
at all. Truth is, I just wanna.
The beach was a little bit chilly today, but it was fun. And I fell asleep. But we're about to eat and then
I just wanna.
I kind of wish they had crawfish low-key.
Truth is, I just wanna. I just wanna.
She's like one of the only people. She's like my sister.
I just wanna.
That was my brother.
That's from Punch.
What did you get? I just had a raspberry margarita.
Truth is, I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bed.
Hey guys, I'm in my closet because I turned the lights off so I can go to sleep. But I just got home from the beach. We had a really fun time. I'm exhausted. I don't think I'm that burnt or anything. It was pretty overcast today, but we had a great time. I ate like a doo-doo, so I'm excited to get back to routine tomorrow and eat nutritious foods. That always makes me feel better. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
I just wanna.